Around August, September. So ukuza kwethu, I think we were 4 or 5 from the company. We were very touched, very, very touched. Sampromise umama ukuthi mama sizobuya. And ukubuya kwethu sizozama nathi ukuthi senze umehluko. Njengoba sibuyile namhlanje and angeke sigcine futhi namhlanje, siyabonga mama ukuthi nisi welcome ku center yenu. Si company nathi sithi sivele silethe okuncane okukhona esingakukhona as a company. Sibonga lothando mama olipha abantwana ukuthi baze bahlale nawe and ubathanda ubanike lothando lomzali libaluleke kakhulu. Siyabonga mama kakhulu. You know, when you come to this center, the only thing that you see is God. The only thing that you see is love. So a company yethu siyazama by all means ukuthi si encourage ukuthi let's love each other. Let's support each other. Njengoba nisibona sela ioffice silivalile. Ukube besikhona nokuthi silanda basemasayidini ngabe niyibone yo.
Via the Mandela Drive. It is, you know, the 67 minutes of, you know, the drive, and the theme for this year is saying that, you know, the sustainability. So therefore, as we have started today, this is just the beginning. We have pledged, you know, to take Malika Honolo in our wing, and it's going to be a very long journey until such time an artist figure there will be some civil work that is going to happen in this center in a due course. I would like, you know, to thank you. Special thanks to Nanglo Mama Nango Kepisi lawyer, but to Casey. Akazwana nokhuluma kakhulu. Mahlele nalabantu usoloku yabajela nje uthi khipani imali. You know, bakhona abantu laba baba, and then I'm sitting here with Nango baba lapha. Uthulile nje, but believe you me, there is so much that he has been making a lot of noise on behalf of this organization. They might not, all of them, in fact, mangok challenge tapelo ya mazi nango umindia whereas utapelo. So everybody here, there is a role that, you know, they have played in making sure we secure the sustainability of this organization going forward. So I don't know whether it will be premature for me to announce this, but logo we starter wabona kune main course ezozayo ngolosibili, whereby the office of the mayor, the office of the municipal manager, the office of the speaker will be here. The directors from Oria Holding will be here, and also if a push comes to a shove, members of Rotec ESCOM group, you know, they will be here on Tuesday as well, as a way of now launching a formal relationship going forward. So, kulogo bazalwane bengizocela ukuthi nawe mawukhona somewhere, especially njengoba si engage with the stakeholders in our different collective endeavors. Let's make sure that we advocate this institution, you know, to the eyes of the masses, so that, you know, they understand the value that, you know, it is, you know, a planting unto the community at large. I'm sorry to say this, but since January till to date, Malika Honola never received any subsidy, any funding from social services for whatever reasons there might be. And mabaya la pama figa uthola bathi umanager uhlele namaphepha akawapushele. And this is if ever ulwa nami, if ever siyalwa. But labantwana laba, they've got nothing to do. And we ababona nje ukuthi these are the senior citizens. These are the senior citizens. If ever we eat in the energy space, we'll say it's in the station going to national key point. Number one. So as well, nabo labantu laba sibaservice lana, they are the senior citizens, and therefore they deserve, to be given, the attention that they deserve. And I will still urge even, the Office of the Social Services to reconsider their position, because whatever that, they are trying to orchestrate is not going to win. This thing, it was not formed on the basis of money making, because akna mali. Nalaba basebenza lana.
Alright, 100 Spartans sanibingelela nonke babukeli emakhaya lapho sikhona phansi eWitbank eMalahleni. Namhlanje sise ward 23, ngihamba nabaholi bami lana, ngihamba nobongameli wabomama bonke ampuru baseMalahleni. Ngihamba nechairperson yabomama eWitbank eMalahleni, ngihamba nabanye inkokheli zami lana. Umama ngochaza ukuthi ubani mhlambe?
Mina uNomvula kaMabuza.
Yebo, siyabonga.
Endaweni bangazi ngoBig Mama.
Siyabonga Big Mama kulezo ndawo. Futhi
mina ngoThapelo isibongo ngwakamuyenge.
Siyabonga. Umphathi uNdlondlo abaningi bamazi.
Mina nguNdlondlo wase Ward 5 Deputy President eChincha Love.
Yes, ngapha futhi khona udadewethu wokugcina usisi Julia ukuthi uzisho naye ukuthi ubani?
Ngisisi Juju abangaziyo bangazi ngosisi Juju weSopo.
Yebo, hayi ne. No sibonga kakhulu ke babukeli. Namhlanje bonke labaholi ngihamba nabo sihlangene eMalihlokonono Disability Center. Bahlangene bahlanganisa amakhanda kwaphuma okuncane from kwabanye abaphathi bavela ku-Oreo Holdings, but ngasikhulume kakhulu bazobe sebayasho ukuthi kuze njani namhlanje sibe la kule center. Ngizocala ngaye usisi wethu uSisinhlanhla. Sisinhlanhla sicela bese explainela ababukeli emakhaya ukuthi indaba sila.
Sanibona nababukeli emakhaya. Okhuluma uNhlanhla wakaMthweni ichairperson ye-Feminine Structure sabomama. Sibomama sihlangene sahlangana nabanye abafowethu ngokuhlukahlukana estructureni futhi saye sayibheka indaba yale center sabona ukuthi sihlangabezana sibahlali balana endaweni or abahlala endaweni ehlukahlukene hlangabezana inkinga ezihlukahlukene because siba nabantwana uthola ukuthi umzali uba nomntwana odisable bese mawuba nomntwana odisable awukhona ukumamkela uyamfihla ukuthi angadlali nabanye abantwana bangamboni ugcina somfihla nasemndenini ngezimo zokuthi mhlawumbe umndeni uyamgceka lo mntwana or lo mntwana kunezinto angakhona ukuzenza. So sathi masihleli sathi sicela ukuthi sibonisane sambeni labantwana labo mabapublishe uma unayo umntwana ukuthi kuyenzeka ukuthi umntwana wakho akekho esimini esikahle une-disability ethize, sicela ungamfihli uzama ukuthi umbonakalise simazi somphakathi sima leader sazi sikhona ukuhlalisana nabo sikhona futhi ukubasiza la sikhona ukusiza khona. Siyazi asinawo amandla okutheni but sinawo ama-company around eMalahleni njengoba sibahlali baseMalahleni sizohamba thina njengama leader ngokuhlukahlukana kwethu sinikokodele ezindaweni sichumisane nama-company ukuthi masibuyeni sisizaneni sibasize labantwana ukuthi nabo bazibone babalulekile. And namuhla njengoba kuMandela Day sikhethele ilanga la namuhla because siyazi kusasa kuya-celebrate abantu bazobe hlukahlukene basezindaweni ehlukahlukene sikhethele ilanga la namuhla kuyi-Friday thina ukuthi mahlanganyele lana sibakhomba uthando ukuthi siyabathanda babalulekile and nabo basikulezimo abakizo ababhekane nazo thina siyasho ukuthi kithi basabalulekile and sisabona babantwana and sicugcuzela namanye ama-sense ukuthi babathande labantwana babaphathe kahle sicugcuzela nabazali abanabantwana abakulezi zimo lezi ukuthi bangabafihli tholakala umntwana angaziboni afana nabanye abantwana or ukutholakala umntwana angalitholi chance lokuthi azibonakalise ukuthi unesipho esinjani. Kuyenzeka umntwana thothi ukhubazekile but unaso isipho sokuyenza because abanye abakhubazekanga ukuthi bakhubazeke ngesimo sokuthi abasakhona ukuyenza next abayikhumezele kancane mhlawumbe ukhubazekile engqondweni marizandla khona uzisebenzisa. So kuyenzeka ukuthi ikhampani isho ukuthi sifuna labantwana abanjalo ukuthi bathola amathuba emakhampanini. So size namuhla lana sibaphathi nayo or ukuthi ningabafihli labantwana bavezeni bazali siyabathanda futhi injalo budi.
Siyabonga sisiwami ngicela ukubuza nje just before sibeka phansi intambo. Ngiya-understand ukuthi use Ward 36. Kuze njani mhlambe wenze lo msebenzi omuhle kanje eWard 23?
Okay. Into engibonile ukuthi lithi iBhayibheli unikele la kunesidingo khona. So size masithi yabheka iWard 23 inesidingo la kule disable center lena sibonile ukuthi kunesidingo thina ezi36 ngale asinayo i-disable center sinazi izidingo but uma ubheka abantwana abakhubazekile kuwes kibo. So that's why sibona ukuthi masize ngapha sima leader and sima leader asikhethi iward sima leader kuwo wonke ama-ward ashilo ukuthi ame chairperson of Feminine i-Feminine i-all over sinama member kwama extension. So mangabe na ku extension yakho kuyenzeka ukuthi uba nenkinga une right ukuthi usithinte ukuthi cela nathi nisizeni la so sibone lokho bhuti bongani ukuthi kunesidingo kule center ukuthi singafika so sinikela la kunesidingo khona.
Yezwakala sami ngibonga kakhulu. Bathi wena wenzani ngo67 minutes wakho namhlanje nangu no secretary lana uzosho ukuthi yena nge67 minutes yakhe namhlanje wenzeni ngayo sawubona futhi.
Sawubona.
Nazo.
Mina njengoba ushilo ukuthi uBig Mama uNomvula wakamabuza mina ngihlala khona la ekhlaleni mina ngihlala la eWard 23 ngaphansi kuka Councillor uClass Umbethe. I-center le ngiyayazi kudala kakhulu ngiyabazi nabantwana abaningi balana ngiyabazi and angifuni ukukhuluma kakhulu ngokwazi ngifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu ngokwenza ngoba namhlanje ilanga lokwenza ngiyanxusa nabo taxi owners ukuthi abavele nginxusa amakhampani amaningi ukuthi mawavele abantwana bakhona lana kuyenzeka kwesinye isikhathi umntwana agule kosa ukuthi umsebenzi ahambe amikise umntwana uma bangathola nama donation wemoto bathole ama donation wokudla bathole nama donation wemiholo ngoba ngiyacabanga abasebenzi balana bana 4 to 5 months bangaholi mina njengoba ngihlala la ekhaleni ngiyakwazi lokho mina ngingu chairperson we Women's League lana ngingu treasure we Women's League lana endaweni siyasazi isimo sala ekhaya siyezwa ngesimo sala ekhaya ngishaya izandla ngiyanxusa sibonga nekhampani Oreo eyalula isandla uNkulunkulu abandisele lapha bathethe khona amagatsha wonke izinkalo zonke not the Witbank kuphela siyanxusa ngoba abantwana balana abasiba se Witbank kuphela babuye ekudeni naseduzane lapha nikhona khona nizobona lo mlayezo lona velani nilule isandla nize nizobona ngoba uma nibona ngilesikhathi izinhliziyo zenu zizobona isidingo sala ekhaya sinengi isidingo sala ekhaya ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Sibongile mphathi induna yami ke uyayisivala yona ke babukeli niyamazi babundlondlo.
Mina akusinenge ngifuna ukukusho ngithi mphakathi wakithi let's love our children. uMandela it's one thing that he did is to love children at all the time bekafuna ukuba duze nabantwana so le 67 minutes ethu thina sispenda kahle lana ngokuthi silokhanyisini sibelana nabantwana and make sure so we call upon all the companies in the whole of Malahleni companies please we are la kule ndawo there's a really need ukuthi sincedise so siyacela kakhulu ukuthi ukuthi khamba kahle na. Thank you.
All right. Thank you. Siyabonga. Ngathi usisomna announcement afuna ukuyikhuluma siswami. Ukuthi
Okay, sizocela abahlali abakhona baseduzane nabasekudeni abanazo ama transport basondele Tuesday sizobe silana sizile sizobe si-invite i-office laka speaker si-invite ne-office laka mayor kanye futhi no ML so siyacela ukuthi nisondeleni bahlali sizohlala nalabantwana enjoyeni nabo iyathembisa iOro ithi ibuya nokunye okukhulu Tuesday for labantwana kuzoba kuhle ukuthi sikamkeleni sisonke so siyacela ngo Tuesday sibeni khona la sisupporteni abantwana bethu ngothando nangozwelo futhi ngiyabonga.
All right, sibonga kakhulu 100 Spartans emakhaya bahlangene abodade wethu nabobhuti wethu nabosisi bethu bathi namhlanje ngale 67 minutes benza lokho ingabe wena wenzani la ukhona sinithanda nonke demsalute. Thank you.